when you're editing the ceremony or any multiple camera shoot, you should look at the cameras, and let's say they're not shot the same or they're not the same model. You really want to try when you're shooting to get them as close as you can. But in this case, we have two shots. They're very different. This is a lot brighter, flatter, and this is obviously got some darks in it. So we kind of have to go through and put down a color corrector. You can see this, it's adding quite a bit of blue. We're just trying to match that up with this, which also already has a lot of blue, and kind of bringing this one down. So we're doing a little bit of white balance on this clip, and also adjusting the levels a little bit. You can see right the levels for the blacks, and we've brought down the whites down a bit too, in an effort to kind of get them to match up better. We might take this, and then we can just start tweaking it a little bit. Just hit that a little bit, and maybe on this, have to bring that up a little bit. Kind of hit that 70 mark. Feels a little bit blue to me. So we're trying to match that suit blue without getting too crazy. And you can do something similar with Lumetri, but I'd say most of the time fast color corrector will get you there. And so as we're going through the cameras, if you set that color correction for all the shots, generally they won't change that much. You should definitely go through and watch every shot all the way through to make sure things don't change. But at least it's a good starting point for you to start tweaking.